2.4.
Pero ano ba? Ah, about 1 hour?
Mushy sauce!
Where my legs at? Probably, that is true.
To be honest, this feels a little bit scary here. Look at this. This is really scary a little. Not too much though, because this is totally disconnected. And
一个清凉风是最高的。
I think this is a scary area to take a photo because literally any part of this rock can come out actually, and I am sure there is some loose rocks or pieces, chips there, so it's really scary. I don't know why people are taking photos here.
Yeah.
Line is for photo. Just go inside the cage and take some photo, and it can take up to an hour maybe. And it's just, remember, it is just weekday. If you come in the weekend, probably it's gonna be more than an hour to wait. Finally, the sun is back and we are all wet obviously. And here's the entrance for the cave. So this is the cave going to the waterfall. Wow, unbelievable. Look at this. Guys, this is unbelievable! Woo! Look at this! Holy smoke! Wow! basically the rock that I passed underneath. It is middle of the August, but unfortunately it is raining. It makes things harder in climbing and coming back. I mean, not climbing, at least trail hiking itself. So we are 150 meters away from the water lookout, the waterfall lookout. Surprise! After raining, the sun came back again, and this is how it looks like. It feels like somebody is turning on and off the sun, and there is a switch between rain and the sun, but it is still a little drizzling. One of the feelings is here. You don't feel how the time passes and how the clock basically ticks. Right now it is almost 6 o'clock, and I still think like it is maybe 11 a.m., 12 p.m., something like that. So I feel like if people constantly or actually permanently living here, they might age like very slow. It's just an assumption. Uneducated guesses. These feelings are unbelievable. Like I'm totally relieved.